In this video, we are going to show you 6 different ways to fold your socks. They are very useful and very easy to do, like all the videos of this Aslo Easy channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And we start with the first way. The video is self-explanatory. If there is any particularity, we will let you know. This first way is very curious. We put this point here and we guarantee that the sock will not fall apart. They are perfectly square. We've just finished the first way. We go to the second way. We've put one sock on top of the other. Now we fold them at the heel. And through the opening of one of the socks, we put the rest. And that's it. Perhaps this is the most used and most common way of folding socks. This third way, we started as the previous one. We put one sock on top of the other. We fold the heel inward, and from the toe of the sock, we roll it up as if it were a curl. I have to admit that this way is one of the ones I like the most. And now when it is rolled up to the end, through this opening, we fold and put in the rest of the sock. That's it. And the next way is very special. We are going to show you how my grandmother used to fold the socks for her grandchildren. And we'll explain why. At the height of the heel, we take the sock and fold it over. We do first one and then the other. The reason why this way is ideal for small children is the ease with which they will then put the socks on. You will see. When we have the two folded, we put them one on top of the other and we put them inside, as you can see. And now they are ready to put away. But when it's time for the little kids to put them on, it's that easy. First we take one sock out of the other, and now where we put our hand, we put our foot in. We unfold upwards, and that's it. And this is how my children put on their socks. We take this opportunity to give a big hello to all the grandmothers. Now we put on one sock for our fifth way. We put the other one on top. We fold it at the heel, and now we fold it in half again. Now you have to look carefully. We are going to put the heel through the opening on the outside of the sock. This way it will look good. This way is ideal to save space or to put in your suitcases when you go on a trip. And this last way has good and bad parts. The good part is that it is done in a jiffy. It is very quick and easy to make. The bad part is that once you put it in your drawers, it might fall apart when you take out other socks. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe to your channel starting today. Make it easy. Best regards and see you next video.